Welcome to this meditation on the body. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and breathe slowly through your nose. Take some time to deeply connect to your body in this present moment. Become lovingly aware of the crown of your head. Now release all tension and feel every sensation as you let your awareness trickle down to your forehead, temples, ears, eyebrows, eyebrow center, eyelids, eyes, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, nostrils, cheeks, lips, jaw, chin, and throat. Bring your attention to your collarbones, shoulders, chest, upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, palms, back of the hands, thumbs, fingers, and fingertips. Take your consciousness to the back of your head, down your neck, to your shoulder blades, upper back, lower back, spine, ribs, waist, abdomen, navel, hips, and pelvis. Move your awareness through your buttocks, thighs, knees, calves, shins, ankles, top of the feet, soles of the feet, toes, and toe tips. Let your consciousness completely embody every part of you, feeling your entire body as a complete connected whole. Visualize soothing waves of relaxation flowing from the crown of your head to the tips of your fingers and toes, and all the way back again. Stay present in your body for a few moments longer, enjoying this state of relaxation. Whenever you are ready, bring your palms together in prayer at your heart center. Finally, gently open your eyes, carrying a sense of relaxation with you for the rest of the day. Namaste.